quest. Hey, there's a meeting starting soon. I better make that meeting or else. Time remaining, 30 minutes. Morning guys, so as you guys saw from the quest I got this morning, we have two quests so far today. First one is we have a time quest. That means that this happens in exactly 16 minutes from now. When we got that quest, there was about 30 minutes remaining. So I spent quite some time at the gym there. And then our second quest, as you saw, is to fix our mount's light. The light on my mount has gone out, or is weakened. It uses LED. So that's the one good and bad thing, is that at most it weakens. At worst, you can't see anything at night because it's so weak. So I've been driving the last couple of days with very weak light. Dangerous, but people can still see my headlights. So that's our two quests for today. Alright guys, I just finished up with my project meeting. So, boom. We completed that. Next, normally after workouts, I would drink some protein. So then, you know, after that workout, we need some nourishment. You see right here? This is a fatigue bar. After workout, the fatigue bar starts to fill up. Once it fills all the way up, I'm done for the day. This is how we recharge our fatigue bar. Boom. Muscle milk. Okay. See that fatigue bar? Go back down. Feeling strong now. Alright. Oh, that brings it up. Today we have an event, a side event. Right here, you'll see. It's a mentor panel. Basically what we'll be doing is a group of businessmen in marketing will come up to speak. They'll be speaking on their experience, how they got successful with the company. Which brings us to a great topic right now. Time for a deep discussion. Today we'll be talking about first impression. In a sense, first impressions are very important for your persona because even if we don't know, there's preconceived biases that come with a first impression. Let me give you a definition of what first impression is. I'll need my phone. It's my keys. This is my pro. Okay, there we go on my phone. Okay, according to dictionary.apa.org, first impression, one's initial perception of another person, typically involving a positive or negative evaluation as well as a sense of physical and psychological characteristics. Especially this effect is in essence personified in the business field. And really it can be applied to anything. Interviews, friendship, social life, anything really. First impression is one of the most important. So once that initial meeting, that other person or you will form this image, okay? Like you'll see this person in a certain way, first impression. And then changing this first impression is very difficult, especially if you're trying to make it in a more positive direction. Very difficult. So then that's why having a first impression is so important. And that's what I hope to do during this event, is to have a good first impression. Right now it's 12 o'clock, the event doesn't start until 7. We have, in essence, 7 hours. This is also a time event, okay? A timed side event, so it expires, there's an expiry date. A great time to say that I invited a few of my friends, not a lot, but a few of my friends to go to this event with me. So they'll be joining my party. Right now, I'm a single party right there, but they'll be joining that party. So boom, 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 boom. But we'll see how many of them are there and we'll see how many of them will join the party, okay? Right, that brings us to our next point. We also have this quest that we need to finish, which is fix my mount's light. Very important. Otherwise, I can't see properly at night and we don't want that happening. Oh, sorry. So I'm about to go off to my event, but you guys think this is okay? All right, maybe not, but as we're talking about first impression, give me 1 second. There you go. Much better. Alright guys, we are at the mall. Earlier I said that we had a side event which was supposed to be my mentor panel, but there was a power outage at school, so now it's canceled. So we're at the mall looking for some tennis shoes. What are you looking for? What kind of shoe store do they have here? I don't go here that often. You're cold? It feels nice in here. I'm actually kind of sweating through my armpits.
They have Chick-fil-A here too.
Yeah, of course they do. No, but we only went to the other one because I thought that my school event was still going on. Let's go check the Nike store. We're gonna go in a circle right here. Start here, go all the way, and then we'll end at the Nike store right here. Okay? You know, when we were going that way, it looked like they were closed. Macy's. Let's go! Where are you going? Just walk in front of me. Lisa is camera shy. She's running away. Let's go track her down. These stores down here, they used to be open, but now all of them are closed. The pandemic really has started killing all these malls. Lisa, there's a What's a Pretzel there now. Didn't it used to be Auntie Anne's? In California, that's all there is What's a Pretzel. Yeah. I went, that's all I ever saw. Guys, no wonder malls are dying. That's green. Oh, there we go, drag. The Kingsman. Oh wow, they have, is that the new one? The new Kingsman? Oh. Yeah, so we found out that the mall closes at 8 o'clock. We're used to it closing at 9. Go to show how long we've been actually going to the mall. That's crazy though. It's about 7:49 right now, so we're just gonna leave. Unfortunately, no shoes. So yeah, when we got here, we were super surprised. You guys see that? This parking lot is empty. So yeah, it makes sense now why it was so empty. Hey guys, so our topic today was first impressions, but yeah, I wanted to go to the networking event and kind of talk to some of my school friends about what they thought of me when I first spoke to them, like what their first impression of me was. But that plan kind of got canceled. All right. Lisa and I were actually talking earlier about first impressions. She was telling me a story about her coworker. Her coworker, very nice, sweet lady. And then because of I live in Dallas, so because of the snowstorm that happened last week, this coworker, everybody has a positive image of her, called in, and now people see her in more negative light. But that's the thing about first impressions, and it's really easy for people to make a bad impression of you when they first meet you. It's easier to see you in a bad light than it is to see you in a good light. So that's something you have to be very careful about for first impressions. Don't get me wrong, like, it's very plausible to change how other people perceive you. It's just, you know, that first impression is just so important. Dots. Did get the headlights fixed, so quest complete. Alright guys, this is gonna be the end of the vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. The best part of going back home is taking off your clothes. I like very loose clothes with shorts on. That's the best feeling ever. Ugh. Get these things off of me. See you guys later.